Hello, how are you today?
I am not feeling well, doctor.
What are your symptoms?
I have a headache, fever, and feel very tired.
Let me check your temperature.
Okay.
Your temperature is high. You need to rest and take medicine.
Is it serious?
No, you will be fine. Just rest and drink plenty of water.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Get well soon. Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning, doctor. I don't feel well.
What's the problem?
I have a headache and a fever.
How long have you had these symptoms?
For 2 days.
Do you have a cough?
Yes, a little.
You should rest and drink more water. I will give you some medicine.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
Hello. What is your problem?
I have a headache.
How long have you had a headache?
I have had it for 2 days.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little.
I will give you some medicine.
Thank you, doctor.
Please take a rest and drink water.
Okay, thank you very much.
Hello. I'm not feeling well.
I'm sorry to hear that. What symptoms do you have?
I have a headache and a sore throat.
I see. Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little.
I can give you some medicine for your fever and pain.
Thank you. How often should I take it?
Take 1 tablet every 6 hours after meals.
Are there any side effects?
It may make you a little sleepy.
Okay. How much does it cost?
It's $5.
Here you are.
Thank you. Get well soon.
Thank you very much.
Hello, how are you feeling today?
I have a toothache in the back of my mouth.
I see. Let me take a look. Please open your mouth. You have a small cavity. We need to clean it and fill it.
Will it hurt?
Don't worry. I'll give you anesthesia so you won't feel any pain.
That's good. How long will it take?
About 30 minutes.
All right. Thank you, doctor.
Remember to brush and floss regularly to avoid more cavities. Hello, doctor. I haven't been feeling very healthy lately.
Hello. What seems to be the problem?
I feel tired all the time, and I get headaches often.
How many hours do you sleep each night?
Only about 5 hours because I stay up late.
That may be part of the problem. You should try to sleep at least 7 or 8 hours.
I see. I also eat a lot of fast food.
You should eat more healthy food like fruits, vegetables, and home-cooked meals.
I don't exercise much either.
Regular exercise is important. Even walking for 30 minutes a day can help your health.
That sounds easy enough. Anything else I should do?
Drink plenty of water, reduce stress, and avoid too much sugar and junk food.
Thank you, doctor. I will try to follow your advice.
You're welcome. Come back if you still feel unwell. Doctor, how can I stay healthy?
You should eat healthy food, exercise regularly, and sleep well.
Should I drink more water?
Yes, drinking plenty of water is very important.
Thank you for the advice.
You're welcome. Take care.
Good morning. What's the problem?
Good morning, doctor. I have a headache and a fever.
How long have you felt like this?
Since yesterday.
Let me check your temperature.
Okay.
You have a small fever. I will give you some medicine.
Thank you, doctor.
Get some rest and drink plenty of water.
I will. Thank you.
Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. What problems do you have?
I have a headache, a fever, and a sore throat.
Do you also have a cough?
Yes, I cough a lot, especially at night.
Do you feel tired?
Yes, very tired. I also feel dizzy sometimes.
I see. Let me check your temperature and listen to your breathing.
Okay, doctor.
Your temperature is high. You may have the flu.
Is it serious?
No, but you need to rest, drink warm water, and take this medicine.
How many times should I take the medicine?
3 times a day after meals.
Thank you very much, doctor.
You're welcome. If you feel worse, please come back to the hospital. Doctor, how can I stay healthy?
You should eat healthy food, exercise regularly, and sleep well.
Should I drink more water?
Yes, drinking plenty of water is very important.
Thank you for the advice.
You're welcome. Take care.
Hello, doctor. I'm not feeling well.
What seems to be the problem?
I have a fever and a headache.
How long have you had these symptoms?
Since yesterday.
You should come to the clinic for a checkup.
Okay, I will come today.
Good. Take some rest and drink plenty of water.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Take care.
Good morning. Please come in. What is the problem?
Good morning, doctor. My wife is not feeling well.
I see. What symptoms do you have? I feel very tired and dizzy. I also have a headache. How long have you felt like this?
For 2 days.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little fever.
She has not been eating well either.
Okay, let me check your blood pressure and temperature.
All right.
Your blood pressure is a little low. You need rest and healthy food.
Is it serious, doctor?
No, don't worry. She just needs enough sleep, good nutrition, and medicine.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Please come back if you don't feel better.
Thank you for your help. How are you feeling today?
I have a bad cough and a runny nose.
Do you also have a fever?
Yes, a small fever.
It looks like a common cold. I will give you some medicine.
How often should I take it?
Take 2 twice a day after meals.
Thank you very much.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I have an appointment for a health checkup.
What is your name, please?
My name is David Lee.
Thank you, Mr. Lee. Please sit down. The doctor will see you soon.
Thank you. Good morning, David. How are you feeling today? I feel okay, but I get tired easily. I see. Do you have any pain? No, I don't have any pain. Do you exercise regularly? Not really. I work in an office, so I sit most of the day. How about your diet? Do you eat healthy food? Sometimes. I eat vegetables, but I also eat fast food. I will check your blood pressure and heart rate. Please relax. Okay. Your blood pressure is a little high. You should exercise more and reduce salty food. Oh, I understand. I also recommend a blood test. That's fine. Please come back next week for the results. Thank you, doctor. You're welcome. Take care.
Are you here for a checkup?
Yes, I want to check my health.
Do you have any problems?
No, I just want a routine checkup.
That's good. Prevention is important.
Yes, I want to stay healthy.